Hey everybody, so this is a quick video to address an error code that you might be getting with your Black & Decker portable washing machine, and we're going to talk about error E3. So if you're getting fault code or error E3 on your Black & Decker portable washing machine, this means that the top lid is open when you're trying to run a cycle. So as you can guess, the best thing to do to fix this is to close the lid, turn it off, turn it back on, and you turn it off and on by pressing the on-off button. So close the lid and press the on-off button, and that should get everything fixed. Now, if you close it and it's still giving it to you, you might want to check the lid and make sure there's nothing that's preventing it from closing properly or closing all of the way. And that should fix the problem. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks for taking the time to listen to it, and I'll see you soon.